Tennis enthusiasts, gather round. If you want to hit harder shots on the court, gain better control over the ball, and take your game to the next level, choosing the right racket is essential. But with so many options on the market, which racket best suits your playing style? Today, we're taking a detailed look at the features of the most popular tennis rackets. By the end of the video, you'll be able to easily choose the racket that best fits your playing style. Ready? Let's get started. Number 5. Wilson Hyperhammer 5.3. If you want to hit powerful shots on the court and control the ball with ease, this racket is perfect for you. The biggest advantage of this model is that the extra weight in the head adds both power and stability to your shots. It weighs approximately 255 grams, meaning your swing is fast and easy. The balance point is head-heavy, and the length is the classic 27.5 inches. The string pattern is 16 by 20, offering a balanced design for both spin and control. The frame is reinforced with a hypercarbon and graphite blend, which gives your shots extra energy. In terms of performance, the hammer weighting technology allows you to add more speed and spin to the ball. The hypercarbon construction also allows for explosive shots. It offers comfortable and safe handling for beginners and intermediate players. In short, it's a great option for players who want powerful shots, extra spin, and easy control. If you're looking for both aggressive and comfortable play on the court, you should definitely consider this racket. Number 4. Yonex EZONE 100. If you want to hit powerful shots on the court and control the ball more comfortably, this racket is perfect for you. The biggest advantage of this racket is that its wide sweet spot reduces the risk of error and allows you to add extra spin to the ball. It weighs approximately 300 grams, meaning your swing is fast and comfortable. The balance point is 320 millimeters, and the length is the classic 27 inches. The string pattern is 16 by 19, which is an ideal combination for both spin and control. What's more, the frame is reinforced with graphite and special 2G technology, which adds extra energy to your shots. It is also quite impressive in terms of technology. The isometric head design provides a wide sweet spot, while the OPS oval shaft offers more control and spin. Thanks to the VDM vibration dampening system inside, you get both a comfortable feel and an experience that doesn't tire your arm. Its aerodynamic design also increases your swing speed. In short, it offers powerful and precise play, both at the baseline and at the net for intermediate and advanced players. If you're looking for a racket with high error tolerance, easy spin, and comfort, this model is perfect for you. Number 3. Babolat Pure Drive 11th Gen. If you want to make powerful, spinny shots on the court while maintaining control, this racket is for you. This racket retains the classic pure drive feel, but has been made much more comfortable with new technologies. It has a head size of 100 square inches, a 16 by 19 string pattern, and weighs approximately 300 grams. This makes it balanced but also suitable for fast swings. The HTR system inside transfers shot energy more efficiently, while SWX Pure Feel technology provides a solid feel and protects your arm. There are also different options available. The Plus model is slightly longer, catering to those seeking extra power. The 107 model features a larger head for increased forgiveness. The Team and Light versions are lighter, swing faster, and are particularly great for beginners. In short, this series has a model to suit every playing style. Number 2. Head Boom Team. If you want a fun and comfortable game on the court, the Head Boom Team is perfect for you. This model is a lighter and easier to control version of the classic Boom series. It has a head size of 102 square inches, a string pattern of 16 by 19, and weighs approximately 275 grams. This means it offers high error tolerance and allows for easy maneuvering. Thanks to auxetic technology, it provides a more solid feel when hitting the ball and protects your arm by reducing vibration. Its balanced construction also makes it quite easy to generate spin. It's an excellent choice, especially for intermediate players or those looking for a lightweight, comfortable racket. In short, the Head Boom Team is the ideal option for anyone seeking a fun, lightweight, and easy-to-control racket. Number 1. Wilson Pro Staff 97V14. If you're looking for a truly professional feel on the court, this racket will more than satisfy you. The latest version of Federer's legendary Pro Staff series, this model offers incredible control and precision. The 97 square inch head size and 16 by 19 string pattern make it easy to direct the ball while also allowing you to generate powerful spin. Weighing approximately 315 grams, it is aimed at slightly more experienced players, but in return, it provides incredible stability when hitting the ball. Its carbon fiber construction also reduces vibration, giving a more solid and crisp feel. In short, it is an excellent choice for players seeking absolute control and professional performance on the court.